Hi everybody, I'm Sergio Mirabete. I live in Mexico City. My practice is based here. I'm a periodontist and an implantologist. I'm a key doctor and a key opinion leader. The theme that I'm going to talk about in the AAM International Meeting is Bone Reduction's Guide for Full Arch Surgery. The importance of this, when to use it, when not to use it. I think it's very important. And let's get together, everybody. It's been 3 long years since we have not shared our knowledge and experiences. Come together with digital. See you in Busan, the international meeting, the IAM. 감사합니다.